know Shadow Negus. Yeah.
Special guest in the building.
Since the days of a fetus. The girl them greet us when them see us and them need her.
Mud.
Yeah.
You don't know what they are with the mud boss.
One nation and Imara nation.
You don't know so what they are with the mud boss.
And Imara nation.
They must say mud nation.
A mud nation.
Hey, short nigga, big walk. Piss him off on my shit talk. Cause she like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. I'm witch daughter. Flow stinker than shit. Leave him pissed when I shit. And y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They switch.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed all the snakes, then me rise up in my nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man.
Yeah.
Make money stick to the plan.
Yeah.
What me say? Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance.
No relevance.
Teach me style and not tell me.
Not tell me thanks.
Teach me style and not tell me.
Eagle. Remington.
Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teach me style and not tell me thanks.
What me do?
Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javinci tell me if you watch my friend do. You lost straight up some corny.
Yeah.
You cannot hold back a flows in it.
Yeah.
Session that I'm in the bows.
Yeah.
Session up how you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now you grow pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I lounge. The mess up with this before she saying her tongue. She stickle. I got some for the strap I could give her.
Where you forget her?
Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga.
Trouble.
Like me that make between her legs run a river.
Run like Don's River.
Before she get bent in pretzel positions.
Sing for them.
I got some for the strap I could give her.
Where you have?
Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river.
Okay.
Before she get bent in pretzel positions.
Yeah. Hold it.
Dead.
Damn, dead.
Right.
Trouble. Yo, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome, ladies and gentle G's, to another episode of Imara Nation podcast. And we are here with the one and only Bobbysox876,
Jeff?
aka the Mud Boss. Trouble.
I mean, know the vibes, you know what's up, Bobbysox. The bad soldier, the bad driver, we friend them bad Negus. One violence anywhere we go.
Trouble.
I know, the mud gang go link with the Imara nation.
Yeah. Them dead.
All right.
You don't know the things that
right.
when the king step, you understand?
All right.
Yo, ladies and gentle G's, you don't know Share One Nation as I say. There's going to be a link in the description for you to buy your Tropic Isle products, you understand? I'm a brand ambassador, you understand? So if you need hair products, styling gel, you need growth oil. Yes, the violent girl needs There's going to be a link in the bio for you to purchase your oils. Online shipping available worldwide too. You understand? And apply your code Negus10. I'm a brand ambassador for Tropic Isle Living. So make sure you don't get the aisle. You understand? Put Negus10 so you can get in a discount.
My girl.
Yeah.
If you have to put on your wig before you brush your teeth at morning time, you have to probably get a Tropic Isle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Trouble!
All right.
Bobbysox.
All right.
Give thanks to follow up on the platform, G.
Oh, yes, man. One nation, man. One link. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Real,
it's so crazy. We live in the same state.
All right.
We live in the same state.
Right up the
Yeah, right up the road. And it's so crazy. You know, the G come give me a serious link today. As I appreciate that 100%, bro.
To them, man.
But, you know, we need a bag of chatting, bro. So, Bobbysox. Who is Bobbysox876, my G?
Who is Bobbysox? First and foremost, is me I say, before me get him the backstory, if you get him a piece of future. Who is Bobbysox? Bobbysox, I want to man them going to take over a blood clot world. Negus.
Okay.
You understand? Bobbysox and the Mud Gang, we are the bad friend them. We are going to show them how to deal with the media. You understand? We are going to run the media. We are going to run the ground.
Trouble.
We laugh with them, man. All who we get the spot and loaf, we are going to show them, say, this is why you have to pay attention in the class.
All right.
You understand?
See it there.
All right.
So, is it me? This is the first.
Right.
This is the first person we're going in the future. With the introduction of self.
Death?
Everything. Trouble. The G going in the future.
All right.
Is it me? So,
Yeah.
where are we taking it over? You take it from present or you take it from the past?
Give him a quick little recap still.
Okay, a recap.
Yeah, we're going now. So Bobbysox, is the man I say. Bobbysox, my forward from Linstead. Is enough I don't know this, and that's some rep for Linstead so much. Is
all right.
Forward from Linstead means a real Jamaican. Enough of them feel like a foreign, my born and grow.
Okay.
You understand? No, me's a yard man.
Yeah.
Way more yard than me is foreign.
True.
Is me I say. Wow, the yard is me I say. Spend first 15 years a yard. Never travel. You understand? Except go school, things like them. There.
Yeah.
Me only know Flatbridge and catching Spanish Town. That's all I know.
Okay.
Me I say. So me a real bushman.
Yeah.
Me not go be one of them people who come tell us say, yo, town me forward from big up Kingston and something. Not country me come from.
You know, cause for them shame enough to say them grow up a country, you know. And country are some of the best life me ever experienced as a town man,
me talk about shit in a drop booth toilet.
Bro. Saint Ann. That's some people them forward from. Yo, oh my god, country brother, man, shit in a pit toilet and them something there, brother. You look down in a pit toilet. You see me, you drop a lighter like this and drop it down in a blood like a lone cockroach.
Alright.
You see me? So that's the G forward from Linstead and you say you spend 15 years of your life.
First 15 years I spent at Jamaica.
At Jamaica.
Never traveled before except go catching.
Okay.
Flatbridge, I travel past. So me I say. You understand?
Yeah.
So me I say. Go catching is me I say. And funny enough, I sent catching high school, me get the name Bobbysox.
Oh really?
Yes. Because what you know, enough people know me as this confident icon, is it me I say, because enough people look up to the way and the movement.
Word.
But I was not always like this, is it me I say. Me did bally nigga.
Word.
Freddy.
Yeah.
Bitch ass nigga.
Yeah.
You understand? So in a grade 7 now, is it me I say, because we don't have one uniform me I wear from grade 7 to grade 11. Is it me I say, not that me have any more.
Yeah.
But I only one who did nearly look like a techie in. Is it me I say? So one girl said me one day and said, Sox, Ramona, big up yourself. She said, yo, Sox, I see him uniform I wear for a week. I said, no, because so. She said, because from Monday, I put a little mark up on the back pocket and it's still there.
Mama, you're evil.
All right?
You are evil. Mama, you're evil.
Yeah.
Mama said she put a one mark.
Put a one mark on the back pocket.
Well, I want you asking that. She asking that on a Friday.
Negus, Mr. Any week, niggas.
Any week, so she put it. Let's say she put it on a Monday.
Negus.
The dog come to school Tuesday, Wednesday,
yeah,
Thursday.
Yeah.
And Mama say, no, what? That mark is still there, so.
Nah, man.
Sucks.
Nah, man.
Yeah.
Nah, man. When I lie them way, when I situation where you couldn't lie yourself out. And
True.
Sometimes, better, bro. Come on, man. We're full of uniform, man. What happened to you? The mark did have a show, niggas.
Jaja.
Father. So she used to call me. It used to be this madman. I said homeless person named Bobby.
Word.
Who live right outside of the school gate.
Okay.
So them attached the name Bobby to me. So
Yeah.
the time they call me Bobby, I start ball. So I say, because my feelings hurt. Because you look on Bobby and look who you call me.
Yeah. Styling.
Insecure you fuck.
Jaja.
You understand, niggas?
Yeah.
So now, when the man them call me Bobby now, I want to fight them, but I never know if I fight at them time either.
Word.
And I did very small. I didn't start growing to reach a foreign.
Word.
So, make no sense. Me try to fight them Monday. I say, so what me do? I ball. But then I realize after a while, niggas, you more me ball, I more than call me Bobby.
True. So you just embrace it.
Bobby, where are you? Yeah, man, I made that man.
True.
Where name? My name Bobby. But buckler.
True.
You
So where the sax come from now?
The sax forward from what I'm turning an artist. I say, me turn an artist couple months later.
Word.
I said, no, if I want to know this, you understand? Me turn an artist and then some boy way, you want to clash me, say, yo, Bobby want to step in my shoes.
Yeah.
Literally saying, talking, Elmo, big up yourself. Bobby want to step in my shoes. A sax.
Yeah.
I
Okay. See there?
I mean, I said, wait, that kind of bad.
Yeah.
Bobbysox.
Yeah. Bobbysox.
Deaf.
And you don't know him off represent for Jamaica, so I'm just drop on the 876 now.
Fully.
Yo, that is a blood clot name right there, sir. You see me? One thing you mean, ask the people name come from, brother. You see me? Ask the people name come from, bro. So the dog say, one uniform from grade 7 to 11.
Deaf? I'm going to ask Tasma about it. Big up my bad friend, Tasma. The bad
Big up yourself, Tasma.
You understand?
The dog say, Mama, put a little mark on him back pocket. Mama, you're a demons. You're wicked.
Yeah, man.
You're wicked.
Big up Mona anyway, she did in her life, man.
Yeah.
I say, I'm watching the Negus because I don't want people to feel like I lie, me, I tell you.
Yeah.
I remember all of my song them from back then, but remember about a couple bars.
Yeah.
Give them couple bars.
Run it.
Watch out. Your girl say me hot like hot pepper sauce. Me slide up her head like a blackberry torch. Everything flat on the mocked in a clot. So me draw for the last. Chop them in half. Me at the body sting. Pandillion. Me gun them long and marga like Kiwian. Me have more gun than drops in a rain. Feel say about put a foot pan them here. Hey.
Chubby!
That what I'm getting to more.
Alright, dog, a couple more. Alright. Run it.
Yo. Alright, what you going? You know? From a war this, they may come for the life. I'm a circle the men's like multiple choice at bust on the ground. Me say like blood. Bam! Hey! Let me get to it. Niggas.
Damn, man said circle the men's like multiple choice.
Niggas be used to bad one time.
Bumbleclad. Trouble.
Every lucky say, hey.
Trouble.
All our in the entertainment industry, as music, as artists, as DJ, whatever. You know, for glad say comedy, I'm calling.
Yeah.
Because if me take up music seriously enough, I wouldn't boss.
Them dead.
Niggas.
Yeah.
No, for them boy, I wouldn't. Hey.
Trouble.
Hey.
Brother, that bad. When I lie to you. So the Bobby coming from, you know,
the Ramona, the madman.
Yeah. Some of the dog mad guy have one school uniform I beat from them time until now.
Yeah.
And then now the socks coming from an artist, you're gonna say, yo, like what? Bobby wants to step in my shoes, socks. That body, no brother. And then 876 I rep your yard.
Yes.
One thing we do, you know, brother, as Jamaicans, we patriotic like war, you know, brother.
That's the facts.
Patriotic. Sometimes I see them a ball out one day when my girl run and we a beat her bad. And them I say, oh, you're tearing down a black woman. No, I'm not tear down black woman, mama. You just brag and boast and we just make fun of you.
Exactly.
I just think that we're patriotic bad, especially when it comes to tracks.
Exactly.
You see me?
Make we talk shit about we country and we people. Make we do it.
Yeah.
You not do it, Mr. Shakari.
Don't do it, mama.
Snoop Dogg Richardson. You don't do it. Yeah, man. You don't do it, my friend. You understand? Yeah, you make we do it. You just chop it. Yeah, anything you have to say about it, think about your laugh in your head and go and be business.
Yeah. Trouble.
Don't do it, man.
So the G said, him spend him first 15 years at Jamaica. Never travel yet.
Never travel.
And it's at the age of 15 I got man cut. Right?
Yeah.
And then which part you land up after that?
So now, fresh off of the boat, Milana, Brooklyn, New York.
Stop do that. We don't come here up on the boat.
Niggas, you know
Jamaican, we should stop perpetuate that dirty stinking stereotype, because that's some of them American use and style, man. Oh, banana boat and
walk barefoot.
Yeah. Move your blood clot and dirty stinking boy. Go banana boat. We come here on the Iron Bird.
Right, but actually still, me did forward up on a cruise. Like, as an actual ship me come up on.
Alright, I can't defend that one.
I joke.
Trouble! Alright, run it. Trouble in there.
So I touch down Brooklyn, New York. Is me as Negus. Fresh place.
Yeah.
Me no know nothing about me no know nobody, because now me a first generation foreigner.
Okay.
Never traveled before. Me no know nothing. Big up my brother Ricky T, DJ Kendrick. Big up yourself. Kendrick stay so. Because the first day I got to school.
Yeah.
In a green and yellow YMCMB jacket, a bright green pants, and a black Clarks with a yellow belt.
Yeah, this nigga, you dress like an islander for real, bro.
Niggas
fresh.
Say, before I school the first day, no know nobody. So you know, so you can't laugh up the first day. You know,
right.
You understand? Kind of like when you got prison, you know.
Right.
So I stay, so I set myself, you know. No man, me nah yell, me nah talk to nobody, nigga.
Nobody.
Stay, so and jam off in the back of the lunchroom, like so by myself, so I observe like so. Scan the place.
Yeah.
Because you want to see, if you can rock around, who you go around, who a waste man, whatever.
Yeah.
Ricky T walk up to me and say, yo, where Jamaica you come from? Me I say, yeah. Man, I say, forward over here, man. I say, food table over here, so.
Bumbucklad. And that me love as a yard man, you know, brother. When yard man see you, they want to make sure see you govern, brother.
Sure see you gov.
Yo, I want me and other this guy one little lounge, you see me? I want dog see me and call me and say, oh, you yard man. Me I say, oh, you know? Man say, Clarks, me sip on your foot, man. Right. Me I say, yo, watch it.
All right.
Dog, yeah, one thing with the yard man, nobody tell us, say, oh, we're not on unity and whatever. I'm going to tell you this. Mm-hmm. Everywhere have crime, everywhere have people where bad.
That's true.
But it's a once we in our space where we have to dare on one another and we can coexist and we have to look out for one another. I know Jamaicans as being them type of Jamaicans there.
Exactly.
Of course, I got fucked up Jamaicans, bro. But on a bigger man levels, bro, we patriotic as hell and we look out for one another when we in a foreign. I don't care none of no one say.
And you see, that's why you see anywhere me day in the world, especially me even in New York.
Word.
If me care a pass, I play a cartel, niggas. So me I look on the driver like so I'm up, me I wait till he look at me.
Yeah.
Me start rocking, me start singing song.
Yeah.
Me know the song there.
Facts.
Oh, I sang that.
Facts.
One bag of loud nice.
Yep.
You understand?
Yep.
Yeah, man. We love how
Say
far from
man.
represent. Right.
So the dog say him go on brand new school.
I know nobody.
No nobody. And a yard man step to him and say, yo, our table over here, so.
F.
A soul for function as people. So you start rock with the yard man them and New York now.
Yeah, and then me want to tell you say, you know, Negus. Me no ain't talk no type of English, you know, Negus.
Yeah.
Me teacher them have a warm time with me, you know, Negus.
Them no know what go on.
Me no know. And then me afraid, you know, Negus, because I say, First, I really see so much white people.
Word.
See them
Okay.
on TV.
Yeah.
But all of them run as a white. You understand? Me I look on them and them for them talking so different than for me one.
Yeah.
Me I say Negus, me can't answer a question.
So when they go in and teach them ask the question, me where in they go?
Yeah,
And
man.
they say,
And then Negus, as I can tell, brother, me talk fast.
Yeah.
And I said, huh? So, yeah, man, I tell you, say, yo, no, man, you see when me read the part and yes, so,
Yeah.
huh?
Mama said, what are you saying?
man. Yeah, man.
Can you stop that? Can you slow down your speech, please? What are you saying? I don't understand. Is that English?
Javon, could you talk slower? And Steve, I get them slower now. But me that set is but I think so you see me. But I feel like see yo, that's
It now change it the slower, mama. The slower. All right, so
Yeah, man.
early development, the G
Ricky T.
situate himself, you know, with the Jamaican crowd in a school, and so
Yeah.
basically, learning and like, you know, was okay. So there was a language barrier, of course.
right.
How was learning for you?
All right.
Because you could understand
Easily.
English easy. Did they take the time? Did they have patience with you, or guy was it a public school?
Public school.
Public school are known to just skip over people sometime, you know, if them hard for you see me? Communicate and anything. Was that an issue with you? Did them skip over you, or they had the patience with you?
All right, here is where like me kind of did get lucky because my school was it was a public school, but it was
Yeah.
very small. I talk about maybe like 100 something people.
Oh, okay.
Very
okay.
small school. So each class maybe have like 15 people.
Word.
So the teacher them actually could have spent the time with it. You understand?
Okay.
And no, at the time, even though I'm never very good at speaking, we could have always write.
Okay.
I can write in a perfect English.
Word.
You understand? You don't know how to write it.
Yeah.
So me I say, so me can understand what you say,
Yeah.
and me can write, me can pass my class them.
Yeah.
You understand? But after a while now, as I start getting more comfortable now, I kind of start switch the way how I talk. You see me I say?
Okay.
So now the conversation becomes easier. You see me I say? Now make it easier to understand. And shout out to as I said, Ricky, because him literally like take me up in him hand like as a brother.
Yeah.
Ricky 1 year older than me, and the man literally show me the ropes, and him not charge me nothing, him not take nothing from him, not hide nothing from me.
Word.
Man show me how you move a foreign. Negus, I'm just for the foreign. So me I say, stay and say, yo, you know what? I want some gal off high school and I want Negus. So me I say,
Word.
why first thing we go do? Start bleach.
What make?
Because some know say we're supposed to get gal a yard.
Yeah.
Yo, if you're white, get them kind of man they gal in love, you know. White face and chip of foot.
So, how was your success rate after bleaching in America?
Not change niggas. Me not back my face before we start bleach.
After you start bleach?
Start using cream.
Trouble!
Oh, Ricky said sucks, brother. It thinks the bleach that we can get gal, brother. Bleach that we can get gal. Yo, nah. So I say, all ugly talk because we don't like that, you know?
Yeah.
But there you go, some mistakes. I see some man black on me on the school.
Yeah.
With some bum buckler gal on the school, nigga.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. You see that, yo, that's the thing, you know, bro. Like, I always hear this light skin, dark skin argument at Jamaica, bro. But on a big man levels, on my pretty levels, bro. Bro, is there really a problem, or some people at the problem? Because I say, yo, brother, I say some black man, brother, some
man.
black man, black like the midnight.
Yeah, man.
And the man them have some hot girl, like them thing gonna stop people, bro. If you feel like your blackness stop you, how will you personally feel your blackness is worth, brother?
Exactly.
You see me? Like, if you know your value as a man, you know your value as a man now.
100%.
Is your skin color hindering you from getting anything you want in a life, brother?
Nothing at all.
You go for what you want to do because you're
Nothing
secure
at
with
all.
yourself and you're confident now.
Exactly.
You see what I say?
So all of the people them, as they say, who complain about certain things
Yeah.
like that, them just insecure.
Yeah.
So the problem is you. You understand? If when you are look upon life, you know, if everything else are the problem, you know, mama, or brother, you are the problem. You over there, so you are a problem.
Facts.
Oh, you know, you see one man with a white girl.
Yeah.
You bex with the man.
Yeah.
Fuck you bex with the man for. Exactly. You are the problem.
Yeah, the problem.
Yeah, man.
So,
So
early development school, the dog, you know,
Ricky,
it was pretty hard for the teachers to communicate.
Yes, man.
Yard man, look out for them one another in the public schooling system.
100.
Then now the dog say you want a couple booby, and the dog start bleach thinking a Jamaica him there. And it never work out. The dog back him fist right through. Right through the dog stays a grrr, boom! You see me?
Negus.
Dog beat it right through dog. So
Yeah, man.
when you start get some catty?
Start get some cat, you know, when Ricky started carrying me got a party.
Word.
I say, man, say, yo, you wait, brother. Just forward got some party. Me never have no good clothes and them shit and whatever.
Yeah.
But wear me up.
Yeah.
So we got a party and realize, yo, girl didn't even care in that party. I just enjoy yourself doing thing like this. I say. I know the thing about it now. Me, I always have the potential to get girl because I say,
Word.
I always full of lyrics.
Yeah.
I say, and me very charismatic. But the thing about it, me they also very shy.
Mm.
So no, because rather a whole heap of time my friend them link me for me get the girl for them. Yo, text the girl for me Sax.
Yeah.
Sax look at the girl so I'm say after this. Boom, class Sax that bad.
Okay. So you full of lyrics. Okay.
So when me stay so now and if I don't say me can use my own lyrics myself, because me never think about that.
Yeah.
Can I use my own lyrics myself?
Facts. So when they go so know, me I get girl for them money and me now use it for myself.
Brother.
Ding! Light bulb above your head.
Alright, yo, let me try to say it.
Yeah.
Me I said, heart a racing on Negus. You know what I'm going to, yeah, heart beating, and I sweat, your foot
Facts.
tremble. So me I said, rascal, chat to mama see me, I said, mama LMA, want to go and beer things and a blush and things, and me I said,
Trouble!
rascal, I said, alright. Me I tell every girl the same line there. Every girl I get the same line.
I thought I was the only copy and paste nigga. I used to copy and paste like a motherfucker, boy. Same thing, repeat like a motherfucker.
Hey, if it's not broke, don't fix it.
Don't fix it. So the dog goes, so when I start got some party, you know, and get beer booby. Where you get what kind of girl? Straight black girl?
Straight black girl.
All
No.
kind of girl.
Straight black girl.
Straight
So
black
me I say
girl.
straight black girl. Because guess what now? New York is a melting pot. New York have so many Caribbean people in New
Yeah.
York. Me I talk about Guyana. Me I talk about Grenada, Trinidad,
Word.
Bahamas. You see me I say them place there. So they were all in the same circle. And guess what? Guess what draw it together? The fucking music.
Yeah.
You understand? Soca and dancehall music.
Yeah.
Them they come together. You see me I say
Wonderful time.
it bring out a massive crowd of people. And then guess what now? It was so much easier because people them we have similar backgrounds. Because you see a lot
yeah.
of people don't know this as Jamaicans. You see the other Caribbean countries, we are very, very similar.
Very similar, bro.
So similar.
That's why I wonder now, why is it some kind of rift between some of the Caribbean country them, bro?
Don't know.
That's crazy.
Don't know.
Because when time we got Juvie and we got
Labor Day and
Labor Day parade and them something the brother. When time another Caribbean island music I play, everybody a dance.
Exactly.
When time dance all I play, everybody a dance. So what is the problem? I know I mostly see them thing the online. I see them thing in the real life, you know.
exactly.
I think online people are weird, bro. I think online people weird, brother.
I think
So
about
it's a be a Caribbean booby.
be a Caribbean bobbies. Be a Caribbean.
Damn.
You understand? And stay so now and start get more and more like comfortable. I say, like certain things I find myself, I said no, I would have never say. Find out say, but me always I think them it so if me always I think it, why me can't say it?
Ah.
You understand?
Trouble.
You see me I say, and then now man start rate me on the school and thing now. You see me I say, me
Yeah.
was a part of the football team and me the only man we can't play football. Me just did it for vibes.
This nigga.
You understand? I understand? But then for the football team, I'm the only man
Can't
can't
play
play.
football.
And not only me can't play, me not play either.
Trouble.
Yeah, but me not trading.
Every day.
You understand?
Game
With a
not
ball
play.
field. Understand?
Trouble.
Yeah, man, we start get famous in high school till the teacher them start operating so.
But see it, man, yo, your personality, bro. Anybody would have a personality. You is a youth where you're jovial, you're mother say you're easy to get along with because you're not
Oh, yes,
difficult
man.
as a person.
Oh, yes,
You see
man.
me, your energy pure, your energy clean, brother.
Can
But
rock
you're
with
not
anybody.
idiot because you have some people with them energy pure and clean or seem pure and clean because them innocent in the mind.
Right.
So them run up in anything and run up in anybody and you see me, but you wanna idiot, but your energy is just open, bro. It's just pure, dog. You see me I say?
Tell them, man.
Yeah, bro. You're really youth, brother.
Niggas, we
You see
start
me?
host party for the school, niggas.
Oh, you know, I say.
We get to keep partying at the school. We start host talent show, things like them. Then.
Damn.
You
I
understand?
saw yard man rolling, brother. We
yes,
take over,
man.
you know.
Hey, we please get the mud up, man. You see
Yeah.
me I say?
Yeah.
Spread the mud, man.
See
Yeah,
it
so
there?
then as time progresses on, we just get more comfortable being in a new country because it do take some adjusting.
Yeah.
To go overseas.
True.
I mean, certain things you cannot say again. Certain things, like for example, like fish.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
When we just found at school, I'm see look at shrimps and I walk around about it.
Yeah. You have a behave.
Miss, me never stay in a class without some man. Spence, you cannot do that.
Yeah, yeah.
You cannot do that. You understand? You got jail or you go back home.
True.
Yes,
Have a behave.
Negus, the first time I stay
America,
something,
man.
I tell some people, say, yo, me never eat pussy in my life. Negus, they laugh for me.
Yeah, Americans do that.
Negus, me confused as fuck.
You like the odd man out now.
Yeah.
I just think I eat it. Oh shit, it's clown ass thing, bro.
Negus, it's like how Jamaica, I said this one crowd.
Yeah.
Hey, this one crowd.
Damn.
Me
Damn.
confused as fuck. Me say, what?
Damn.
But me get laugh for the right thing.
Yeah. Or you think it's the right thing.
I understand.
And then our next man country, the man them a laugh off of you, brother. You see me? Crazy. So it was a culture shock.
Culture shock.
Damn, bruh. Hey, stay tuned, you know. You understand? Bobbysox have more to talk about.
Them dead.
Because early development, left Jamaica when I'm 15, come to America, culture shock. You understand? So if you want more, just make sure you stay tuned for the new segment. This is One Nation and Imara Nation. Up move.
Yeah.